Ekemile one ngikora 7 goals ngiphinde futhi ngiphume nama-assist. Because mendlala sinini sashaya team 14-1.
14?
Yeah, 14.
What are you saying? What are you saying, guys?
So,
Yeah.
Ngaphuma na 7 goals.
Yeah.
Then lo munye wakora 6 goals umshishi.
Yeah.
Uma goals wakamshishi wonke ngaphuma ngama-4 ya kumshishi. Simbiza kanjalo i4 kumshishi.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
So ikhonyisho ukuthi kahle kahle mina nguRonaldo.
Okay. Hey, it's dreaming big, guys. It's dreaming big. Okay. So you're saying your age level is for the
ngadlala center attacking. Mengidlala center attacking. Ithema lizi ball. Ngashaya casket ngathi scoop la ngene. Sabu ithema sibuye ithema kusele 5 minutes because ngisenkhavile ngisho 5-5.
Yeah.
1-1 kusele 5 minutes. They be like hayi Rita hambe ebhalini. Khona le team le edumile I'm sure bayazi neSundowns inokuhlala nayo. Ingabatshela iqiniso ke.
Yeah.
Imito Stars.
Angithi ngiyacaba ukuthi vele wena uthanda ama team overseas. So vele we inspire you always talking about Ronaldo. What about Messi?
Who's the GOAT between Ronaldo and
who's the GOAT? I want to know.
Yeah.
And
you must explain ukuthi lona munye yini enza ukuthi at one you're saying it's who?
Thembi Khatlana.
Thembi. Okay. All right.
Nomvula. Ukhwale. Sibongo sakhe.
Okay.
Yeah, I done laba abanye akusebe squad like abamanye ama country abo Linda Kaseri.
Okay. Yeah.
Akusebe squad.
Ngathi ukhohle someone number 8.
Stay tuned for another special episode of Easy on It with Sithole. Hi guys, welcome to Easy on It with Sithole. As you can see guys, I'm not alone guys. I have a superstar today and then we have my co-host. I hope you'll be co-hosting even like next week or we'll see guys. Because a lot of people, guys, I'm still gonna say this. People says, you know what, nah, so the shooter, I'll be coming. Then coming with excuses. So guys, from my far left, we have.
Yeah, this is your boy /Tiger. Yeah.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh, today, Gary.
Nah.
That energy is not big show.
Okay, guys.
What's up?
Okay.
Let's intimidate you, though.
Okay, what's up, good people? This is your boy /Tiger. Sikhiwa abantwana loya 35 and aphinde ukejeza imitha labantwana baya mitha manje sigijimisa kilometer issue. I'm here with the soccer player.
Okay, please introduce yourself.
Hi guys, by the way, my name is Ritabile. I'm known as a star player guys as you know guys, each and everything I'm doing it for myself, for the bright future. So guys, I want to make my parents proud.
Yeah.
That's
nice. Okay, first thing first, ne? I want to start with you.
Yes.
Star player, like how did you know that like you can play? Like first thing first, you need to, cause like most of the time, you guys do Benzan, netball, nan. So he need a ball.
Yo, like about body language.
Yeah,
it's the biggest thing. Cause like I started playing football since I was in grade 1, and it was in 2012, if I'm not mistaken.
Wow.
From grade 1.
Yeah, it was in 2012. Yeah. 2012.
Yeah.
So like no, like ubutombi kajwayele ukudlala ball. So mikabuya nalo ngaba like I have that interest ukuthi no man. Isina ngike ngizami.
Ngathi ngiyayikhava le nto.
Yeah, ngathi ngiyayikhava ngike ngizami. So like bekuyintenzeka every day. So endlini bagcina bangithengela ball.
Is it?
Yeah.
How many girls your parents have ekai?
Yimi kuphela. Out of 4 boys, I'm the only girl.
I think that's the way this thing playing came about. So you are surrounded by boys, ekai?
Yeah, and I'm a third born.
Wow.
Ekai?
C5.
Oh, okay. I see. So, then when you are the only girl, ekai?
Yeah.
And when you are the third child. So 2 boys, ngabo put back.
Yeah.
Then kulandela 2
brothers, yeah.
Ne.
But still ngasifundela cause like
this is crazy, man. Like cause ukudlala ibhola thina vele we grew up watching who's this lady Pusha Mutisi exactly but uthi like these days lama happy laba bagcwele guys lapha ekhasi na
sikhona
isihlanga
sikhona guys
no let's go. Do you have anything that you want to ask
me? I want to ask you something. What is your favorite player? Like your role model player?
Oh, Ronaldo.
Ronaldo?
Why Ronaldo?
CR7?
Yeah, Ronaldo.
CR7?
Yeah, even when you can see me playing at the field.
Yeah.
Like Ronaldo, you can see man which this girl.
Yeah.
Wow.
She's inspired by Ronaldo.
So that's the one person that motivated you to.
Yeah, Ronaldo. Ever since I was young, Ronaldo.
Guys, there's something that I didn't know about her, right? I wrote some questions, ne? So when they arrive here, they're talking about this football club.
TS Galaxy.
TS Galaxy. I was like, what are you guys saying? So like, how did like TS Galaxy came about? What happened? And then when eskoleni yini le like participate into when it's come to sports?
No, eskoleni bengidlala vele football.
Okay.
Yeah. Then TS Galaxy I started posting videos. Then there's this one member.
Wait. You started posting a video wako.
Yeah, playing football on
like yellow name estratini stuff.
No, not estratini. I think khona lama video le ngaqeda 3 yonke ngiwani efielding. Bangenza video ngisefielding ngithena ngama play.
Playing.
Yeah, ngathena ngama play 3 wonke. So like they be like, "Ayibo, ama comments obvious then."
Damn, this is crazy. Yeah.
Vele utheni ngabantu abayi3 nayitheni all those stuffs.
Yeah.
Intentional. So like I think that's when like that guy he started to have an interest on me. Then
so okay. When you posted go TikTok or Facebook when
TikTok is like Zamsela men post TikTok, he post na go Facebook na go Instagram.
Oh, he linked to Amalon. Okay,
yeah.
I see.
So yena wang DM go Instagram.
So uthi, I want to hear this story.
Mega DM uthi kimi. Hey, hi Rithabile.
Yeah.
Oh, where are you located? Would you be able to come and maybe visit us? So
no, uthi ngubani lona uthini? Who is this person?
I was shocked. So firstly, into ngicale ngayenza like I just viewed his profile pic. Then ngifuna ukubona ukuthi like ubani because I cannot just accept each and every
or something. Yeah.
So like it's a man check.
Yeah.
Lo muntu man ugcoke impahla zeTS. But like ngaqala ngam ignore. So nini wangitexta futhi like wacela ama tents. Ngithi mhlambe like itsingizame maybe like I want to know.
So you took a risk.
Yeah.
What I think near lo leso stranger.
Then I shared my tent. Then after that ngabona sekangisendele message athi like to show ukuthi vele like he was interested because wangisendela ku WhatsApp ku Instagram naye me SMS straight.
Oh, so he was fishing ukuthi uzohlamula kuyiphi lona.
Yeah, engicala ngithola ku.
Yes. Yeah.
Ufuna ukumake sure ukuthi like le message iyafika kimi. So I message just like ngicela ama number kabazali bakho like we need to talk to your parents.
Overall when ukuthi this is serious.
Then mengishare ama tens kababami. After about 30 minutes ubuya kimi futhi uthi sengikhulumile no baba I was like go. Okay. No, serious vele uzimisela. Athi like sengikhulumile no babakho but then I will tell you ukuthi sikhulume sathi kusasa mangiza when I be prepared nje. Ngathi okay, futhi wathi within 3 days nje is prepared. Then the third day uthi kusasa ngo10 zabe ngini so please share the location. So mina extend before that 10 I shared a live location.
No. Let's not fast forward this. You went to your dad. Then what mina kunomuntu lana ngicene ngimnikeze ilona yakho inamba yakho.
No, the time angifuna mina bengumama so I just gave him ama tens kababa because umama like she's always busy.
Oh,
so
okay, I
umuntu
see.
ohleza available engasho
It's a dad.
ubaba.
Okay,
So that is why I
okay.
decided to share his sense.
Wow.
So yeah, then,
So ubaba uthini wena ke like okay let's wena bokuphi bosesikoleni?
no,
Yeah.
I was at home.
Oh okay then uthi yo
So mina ngithi mhlawumbe and then ubaba after that call uyangifonela uthi kufone umuntu uthi weTS Galaxy.
yeah.
But then uthi uzoza kusasa azokhuluma nawe. So
Yeah.
mina obviously ngizobuza ezumzala wami utheni ku
Yeah, manje ucela that excitement. Ucela that excitement. Yeah.
Hayi uyasho ukuthi hayi uthi like ufuna like uzohlala kuye each and every session yabo etraining i300 but like bona but everything kuye bazokusupply mahala.
Wow. That's
I was
nice.
like hayibo athi but
Wait. I-training is 300 rand.
yeah.
Like when you go to training.
Yeah, per session yabo ngathi iplayer mhlambe like iplayer nokubona khona abazali abathatha abantwana bathi like ngifuna umntana amedlala ibhola.
Yeah.
So amise kwi team enjani professional because ufuna ashesha then but bababhadalisa. So mina I think ababhadalisanga for the sake of ukuthi bangla.
They came for you.
Yeah.
Oh.
Intention.
Okay, Gaji. This thing's in a lot of my steps, ne?
Yeah. So
Okay.
washo kanjalo but waba like ukuba no but yena anyeke size simbhadalise.
Yeah.
I was like okay.
Oh, okay. So they were even saying this to your dad, ukuthi i-training is 300 rand.
Yeah.
Mawu trainer on our field.
Yeah.
Ifile
Yeah.
kumele.
Ifia
Damn.
nje kahle kahle.
Before a trial, before anything else,
Yeah.
just training.
Training.
Okay.
Like, so like it's nje mekathi uyeza. Hayi. Ngangakholwa nyani. Yazi like uba suspicious nyani.
That's
Yeah.
So like mina ide uzomela ukuthi okay lo muntu lo meka fika uzogcoka uzofika agcokeni impahla ezinormally
Yeah.
or ama sweatpants vele.
So manje uthi mathi prepare yourself. Uthini? Ngcoka istofi, ngcoka iskindi,
Like
ngcoka irogo, ngcoka
I was like mekathi uzohlala eClub House sekakhulumile nobaba.
Yeah.
I was like okay ke eClub House kuyahlalwa mangifika is
Club house is more like it's a camp, ne?
yeah
Camp
where ama players ahlala khona.
Yeah.
So like
Se-campaign, mabathi se-campaign, yeah.
so I be like okay mangifika eClub House nje am I allowed to wear skate a dress so mhlawumbe obvious phela ama play and mostly amantombazana adlala ibhola maye they become ama lesbians.
Yes.
So yabo.
That's true.
So mina uncle lapho obvious
abo tomboy nani bana
Yeah.
that thinging. Yeah.
so mina uncle lapho so ngiba like okay hayi ngaba like hey akuna stress ngizobamba ama sweatpants phela ngashike xoxela.
Yeah. Wathi asiyena bolona bo tracksuit nani.
Yo ithe meka fika and wafika ngingaqedi nokugeza ke after sharing that live location. Like kwaba fast ngingaqedi nokugeza ngizwa sebathi Rithabile sebakhona. Uthi sekakhona uqela uphume mhlawumbe like azobona indlu ukuthi
yeah.
so like obvious sengiyasheshisa lapho
Yeah.
ngisheshisela ukuphuma mina.
Mekasho ukuthi kuyeza manje ungasacedeleli ma.
Yo phela like
Yeah.
ba top
Yeah. Okay.
mangivela na ngiyayibona imoto iyeza obvious some alert ukuthi no man hits laba. So uyangena mikangena vele ucuke skipper sethi ngacela ngakhuthala nyana amatha yabuya nyana hayi yiyo ne mara like sozabona eClub House
imoto yahamba ngani?
bekahamba nge sort of le moto lezi abamaClio so
Okay, I see.
Yeah. So ngithi singizabona eClub
I brand wang imoto.
no imoto bekahamba nge normal car.
Okay.
So like into bengizibuza ukuthi mangifika le because obviously ninzi esikadax
Yeah.
ngiyodlala uyobayengisa kuyiphi kule Sithole
Okay.
kule like ben
Also you already knew ukuthi kuna le esasolo kuna le so and so kuna le
like
so and so.
bengicabanga obvious then ukuthi abesakhona bakhona abadlaleli Sithole
Okay.
iGDL intenyane ezinjalo. So bengizibuza ukuthi neHollywood so bengizibuza ukuthi nabayongifaka kuyiphi. Yo ithe mesesihamba travel it was 1 hour 20 minutes yonke.
Okay.
Sendleleni. Yo kanti bayongifikisa kule yeHollywood. Mangithi hayi man lama player ahlala eTV labo. la ngabuyele TV
Yeah. Okay.
because it's a then first day akhona I training session but ngo 5 ngizena ama so I'm training kita then they be like anyeke utraining nathi ku different banginike training kit ke okay saba
sathi
no isicathule emacox kusasa manje
oh okay yeah
basazofuna ukumbona and like bengisase injured ngaleso sikhathi so mangifika
okay
hey okay hayi man ngihlangana neplayer elidlalela isquad umfundo unomvula lo uma lipstick
yeah unomvula shout out to nomvula
besijima naye
okay
I was like kai yabona makungathiwani uye lo cause nasejimini ke usifake lipstick uye lo
that's my lipstick
angisho babiza mostly babiza kanjalo cause udlala ngelipstick eground so bebamdefine nje bathi lo ama lipstick okay yeah ukhwali isibongo sakhe so ngathi hayi man yabona noma kungathiwani lo uye nje so like I training session nje bemnandi be right hayi uyabona no coach wakhala cause kwenza khona nale bola lasuka from nokubona like mo change ama sides
I see
wafika ngashaya face touch
ibona yahlala lapha
ngalek and like ngum left and right so
shaya ngapha ngayo
so
11 I mean i10 and 8 kuwe it's the same thing
yeah ukuthi nguphi kwenzakalani inyawe elifike kulibhola ngishanga
yeah
so intombe engibhayizisa most bekuyi enkele cause enkele yambe idumbi so sometimes mix kufanele ngishaye mengiqeda ukushaya iyapain so baba like no since injured asikizeke kufizo when ubuyenza amafiso so I be like
ifizo yini but nasazi phela we never been there you have to let us know what ifizo
like umuntu like obala like kuba nefizo each and every team inefizo like umuntu ozo siza for lab abanama injury
just to take care okay that person babambiza ifizo lawyer take care for my injured players and stuff
so mina ngaba like yazini since le yami idumbile and like I'm sure ngifuze ekhaya cause bani arthritis so ngithatha isikhathi ukuphola
into yama feet and stuff
yeah so ngaba like hey ngcono ngihilele ekhaya so mina since vele sengibona
bongathukanga ufuna ukuya ekhaya njena
no so ngathi since sengibonile ne experience nama challenges wangabshit like mangifika nami ekhaya anye ngifike ngirelax ngiyofika nyenzeni I'll keep on training ukuthi vele cause sengiyazi ukuthi ngale kunjani ngisho ukuthi like mangibuyela vele ngibe sengright so nini ngapost video futhi wangitext sengithatha
are you okay now
usi sengimthatha as an agent yami
he's checking on you now
okay wangitext wathi so uyajima how many hours like do you gym so like manje ngamtshela ukuthi cause mangiwani nje I-road work nginokuzenzela boma 3 hours zonke mara nami ngiyeza ukuthi abona ama
running
road work nje
okay
3 hours zonke
ukijima from where to where ground ini or around the ground or
no sometimes nokuthatha thola ukuthi okay nithi abona ama 30 rounds ground then mhlambe simaye sengizosuka ngithi ngasesentu ngihansa speed nge-road work ngibuyele ngayo ngifake nama earphones mara mangibuye ngisukuthi abona mangidinga ice bar
just want to cool down manje
so wangitext because nale nayizolo bekangibuzile ngithe so ithemi ngangitext wathi ungakhohle ukuthi abo coach bathe udinga like ulokujima nokuthi vele urecover full recover then ma on channel I'll come and fetch you futhi
wow
so like cause mina benginokufila ngathi nokubona obvious ama player ngale angitryela badlala ibhola lapho ngidlala ibhola nami nginokufila ngathi mhlambe abantsandi ibhola lapho so like yena wang inspire wang motivate aba like yabona like if abo coach bebangakufuna bebazongitshela from the second day ukuthi mina nomani le player lelo olilethele lona
secrane ngaye
asimfuni but for the sake of ukuthi wayihlala yonke full 2 weeks zonke ulokujima because bafuna nama documents wami ukukhombisa ukuthi shuthi like ikhona lento le ngayo
damn it's crazy
ngathi shuthi ngizobuyela kahle ke sengipholile maka next day ashen
so this call this chat ne ecale nini
ama chat ethu
like for you going for camp for 2 weeks while you're injured, like
June.
June this year.
Between June or July.
Yeah.
This year,
damn.
Wow.
This is crazy. This is yo.
It was unexpected.
Yo. To me, I can say, Uchi, you are blessed. Uchi, une gift, ne? Then somebody just sees you, Uchi. There's no need for you, Uchi. We started from scratch. Already, manje build the profile.
Yeah.
Do you understand? Anywhere, it's either like any train, anything, you already have something which mean I start some training TS Galaxy for like a certain time. The reason maybe because maybe let's say Palama exam. I'm being Palama exam. Do you understand? Like already profile is heavy like that.
Yeah.
You understand? But when before they hit on you, ne? Or before they discover you via social media and stuff, ne? Which football club did you wanna
play for?
Yes.
Sundowns.
Masandawad.
Oh, it's Sundowns because nalo coach local benimdlalela ngapha. It's text but like let's say bensane injury etolo litumbile. Ngadlala etolo. Uthi text our coach Sundowns wathi iplay sona solidlalela team yakhona. Wangakhona ukurelease because of kuyafana nilimele. So and then like inhliziyo
so by now sikhuluma kanje you should have been playing for Sundowns.
Like inhliziyo yami yababhlungu ngathi okay ke awusamtshela ukuthi angimele ngihile
this kid's just blessed, guys. Just blessed.
Ngaba like each and everything inesikhathi sayo. So izofika mhlambe yonke into ine reason ukuthi wayenzeka. Mara nje yabona ngishim mina ngifuna ukufika ku Sundowns. After Sundowns ngifike ku squad because I know vele ngizoyifightela.
Okay. Why Sundowns, not Kaizer Chiefs, not Pirates? Because we know when you talk about the derby, when you talk about Soweto derby, people they say there's this feeling around. Even I had Ilona interview Yaga Brand Paloi.
Yeah.
I interview Ilona Mekji. I say yo, that experience at derby, it's unlike anything. Like just to hear that crowd at the back of you cheering. In 90,000, Soccer City.
Yeah.
90,000 people, bruh. Sold out.
Yes.
That's criminal way.
Do you understand? Like, but that feeling is like, it's like you can't feel it anyway. Than it happy. So why not these two big teams? Why Sundowns?
Angas. But like, you're only Sundowns. You let him like it's him and Fisugus Bonagu.
Wow.
Yeah. Cause nabazali bambantshela street but mntana mfightela ukuthi ufike TV season athi sobukela.
Wow.
So now I'm obvious then ufuna ubayenza babe proud ukuthi man it's okay. Do you know that feeling ukuthi man umntana uyadlala ngesikhathi so the TV like it's in
yeah. No man, but like other than ubukela eloneni slash ku TV and everything, it is nice to know ukuthi ku grandstand up there ku VIP and everything. My dad and my mom, they're out there watching me. Like even if you don't see them but you know ukuthi lapha phezulu ku VIP they are watching me. Do you understand? Because anything abazali ebayifunayo is to see their kids succeed on each and everything. Do you understand? So like what did they say the first time which you were in ball or when you're busy pursuing this? You said good about ball here and there, but like first thing first, Mauzo, you know what, Mina, then you things where schooling be nursing, but doctor, engineer, and my life is on the field. But anyway.
Mama, like my parents, at bank support. Because like Kubaba Nabiga ball.
Wow.
Meklala my old cock. Like Guaseloka, Begadal. And the batty began Nadi. Ninkatsa. So, Mufuze. So, Begafe sang supporter. Make sure ukuthi like ayikho into engishoda ngayo.
Yeah.
Like ayikho. Because unokubona nami sometimes unokubona nama ithola ukuthi mengingathiwa nje ngiyadlala kuphi. Kune tournament boma top 32.
Yeah.
Like abangazi but like ngiyophuma sengingama fan already just because of the rank dlala ngakho.
Ilona I gift yakho is unique. That's why people can even spot you from distance. I think that's even the reason this guy from TS came for you on the DMs and everything, because like if there's like a gift, a gift you like you are born from the distance. I can tell you now, Slash, when it comes to his swing, chilling, pushing type shit vibe and stuff, he's there. It's just that now I'm actually like a resources to put himself somewhere else.
Yeah.
But you can tell like he's living your Casper Universe lifestyle while as a set as team. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So Ilona, talent like anyone can spot it from the mile away. Kuthi le imidfielder Elena or Lenny Peg for Lena or lay winger Lena, if we can have you on a Jane with team here to shoot us for you. So and then udlala like udlala Peg for now we could keep win. FLT.
Like I keep pushing ngayidlali. Cause nokuvimba ngiyadlala. Nokuvimba ngiyavimba. Cause bokuningi angisakhumbuli. Yeah, but like bekangidiyemile bekudlala and like team kufanele ukuthi team yasekhaya cause but like ngiyayidlalela mengingapha.
Okay.
So like sadlala ngaphakathi ngadlala center attacking. Mengidlala center attacking ithema lizi ball ngashaya casket ngathi scoop la ngene. Sabu ithema esibuye ithema kusele 5 minutes cause ngisenkhavile ngisho score 2-5 1-1 kusele 5 minutes. They be like hayi Rita hambe epalini. Khona le team le edumile I'm sure bayazi ne Sundowns inokudlala nayo. Ingabatshela iqiniso ke.
Yeah.
Imito Stars. Mito Stars. Yeah, like so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, ama player wakhona but baba like bayanyatha but anyeke sivinjwe I player.
Yeah.
And they like sekulate and they like spetch imali bafuna imali na.
Yeah.
So like they decided to yazi asathe nama taxi slide ngawo ukuthi so vimba.
Kuthi lona izokhona.
Yeah, we final.
Yeah.
Itheme kathiwa khaba lokucala. I'm sure ngizoyibheka ivideo yakhona.
Yeah.
Yazi ukuthi umuntu ngamlanda. Ngalanda straight eside. Wabana nabo like bayeka nokukhuluma like abakhona. Ulvimbile le penalty. Yeah, so bavele bathi usifilisile kuma penalty swinga. So everywhere you save I mean.
This is crazy, man. Okay, when you recall each and everything, how many goals have you scored? When allow acabanga nje.
This year before the team
let's say this year. From Jan until like now.
I can say 40 something. Ama assist ngisakhuluma.
Yeah. La oni ubanikayo nje.
Yeah, because then nokukora na 7 goals ku game 1.
Yeah.
Wow.
Game 1 ngikora 7 goals ngiphinde futhi ngiphume nama assist. Because mendlala sinini sashanya team 14-1.
14?
Yeah, 14.
What are you saying? What are you saying, guys?
So,
Yeah.
Ngaphuma na 7 goals.
Yeah.
Then lo munye wakora 6 goals umshishi.
Yeah.
Uma goals wakamshishi wonke ngaphuma ngama i4 ya kumshishi. Simbiza kanjalo i4 kumshishi.
Damn, this is crazy.
Ngize certificates zakhona.
Yeah.
Certificate set top assist.
Yeah.
Top goal scorer.
Guys, you'll be watching each and every achievement that she did. So kuzoba bizavela ama certificate lapho,
Yeah.
So you were saying which one certificate here top assist?
It's top assist
Okay.
The one top goal scorer.
All right. And then ama like
ama medali. Lawa manje obvious then ama medali.
Yeah.
Nani. Yo, Mari Silva ngithanda yazi ngizusukhinga.
No, man. It's an achievement.
Nice achievement.
Then have you ever been like man of the match on each and every match? No, like wow, and he in prize we win as much as we're talking about our certificate. Which prize Lena was a white Torah then what? Wow, I can see which I'm doing something.
Yo, cabanga ngeke ngawina ama Cox. like
Is it?
namabhola
Yeah.
bewangekho like amakhapnyana amancane
Yeah.
bethola i-man of the match bethola ama-medal ayi-2
Okay.
nama-cox.
Wow.
So you won those.
Mm.
Damn. This is crazy. Man. Slash, do you have anything?
I have a question.
Yeah.
Okay, when it is skin, nickname yakho bokubiza bani? Your nickname.
Oh bathanda ukungibiza umkhuthuzi.
Mkhuthuzi.
And remember ukuthi why baba like kungoba man I like ngiyangena ku
Yeah. Yakhuthuzi. Bobi ufikile.
kanjalo bathi umkhuthuzi.
Mkhuthuzi. Yeah.
And the
FMT.
food.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the food to pay.
Do you like it?
Yo shame. Sengizala asetha like for the sake of ukuthi ngiyayibona lento le I wish abayisho line meaning vele iyahambiselana nezinto engilokuzenza. So yeah.
It is
asetha.
No, I hear you, man. Yeah, you were asking. Yeah.
I was asking. You have lots of followers, and abantu baba
Yeah.
babukela ngithola. So what will you give advice for the young ones? Abantu laba.
Oh, labantu abamlandela, especially with TikTok.
Yeah.
She's big, by the way, on TikTok, guys. She's big, yeah.
Because I see
Yeah.
a meter. Imagine.
Bro.
5 meter.
Imagine. This is crazy.
So,
No like abokubo like ngabatshela ukuthi like yabona empilweni into mawuyifuna. Fanele kusitshela ukuthi vele ngiyayifuna and like ngizoyithola. Because like le ukuthi uzothi yo izitha zami ngini empilweni ubhetlila nawe.
You'll always say
this. Like uwo osibhetlishayo ulwa nawe ngokwakho. So like now umuntu ufanele kusikhiphe kulezo zinto usitshela ukuthi yabo lento le fanele ngiyithole. Because one day abazali bethu bakhona but one day bazabangeka.
Yeah. Guys, and one thing, so sorry to cut you off, what you're saying, guys, which talent, it is not like it is not enough if you are not putting it in practice. A talent need a polish.
Yeah.
Don't just waiting over like she's gifted as much as she says which there's no position there, like you put her as a goaler, she can, as a striker she can strike, midfielder she can hold. Ilona, as much as she's saying which in your assist ama goals na 80-10, it's the same thing to her. But because she's training, Nizwila ama miles lawa wakichimayo lo mudlone 3 hours on the road and then, do you understand? But if you were somebody those are like Mina talenting now. Do you understand? But you make sure which no guys, like I have to be there.
Like,
I can't reach sorry to cut you off. I can't reach Ronaldo's level while I'm just sitting down because you said CR7 we motive you. So you can't be that much if ever you're not polishing your talent. Do you understand, Slash?
Yeah. That's true.
Nah, that's true, man.
This is like, it's not like all about the talent. For me, 10% talent, 90% it's hard work.
Discipline and hard work.
Discipline and hard work. Kulezo nje into esihamba kuqala.
Usitshela ukuthi hey, if things over, if ever you're gonna wake up around 5 and start jogging or whatever, running, jogging, you have to wake up. You are like it or not?
Like it ungathi mase ikhali uthi oh hayi ngizobona kusasa.
Because I think most of the time abantu abaningi yiyo into esibulalayo leyo yebo. Manje he said something slash guys, if ever you haven't checked his interviews and everything akhona lana, just click where's written videos, you'll see him. He've been saying ukuthi sooner they will go to Scorpion King something. I don't know if it's a festival. Piano hub and stuff. So but they are not getting anything. So sometimes it's all about following your passion. Which is like go and get it. If you are a food, go and get it. If you say by fire by force, dog. Yes. If you say what you know what, one day I wanna be the next something Soweto, the next this, the next that, or the next Amos, as you said from the previous episode, you have to work your ass off. I couldn't it doesn't. So I wanna ask you something. As much as you're big on TikTok, you are chowing 100k views, 200k views and stuff, I want to ask you, abantu, have you ever been offered in you uzodlalela like a certain team, and how much was that if people have tried to buy you out?
Like akhona ama local team, but like I feel like mina most uka kule team le uyodlalela kwenye team just for imali, like uyazilekisa ngokwakho.
Is it?
I understand.
Yeah, for mina like uyazilekisa ngokwakho, anyeke uzothi uzosuka kule team le I local now uyakule just because of imali. No.
Ngikubuza yabo.
Yeah,
what is a red flag modlalela ilento kule ma team lawa wasekhasi?
Ama red flags are black, abhaya lawa ufila ngathi lawa just ukuthi ucindezela umuntu lawa.
Yeah, it's because of, and then abo bayazi ke ama coaches, ngiba honest, ama coaches wala local.
Yeah.
Like ayazi, firstly bathanda ukuvutha. Like abize thola ukuthi nokubona
ama what is she saying? Bathanda ukuvutha, what is that?
Like ba invite ama player kwenye team awazi ukuthi thola ukuthi okay
baboleka ama team ama player from other teams.
Le team le ama player khona ukudlala lawo nalawo and like nje tournament ne so ithi ngibize lona naye ngoba uyavuma ngaleso sikhathi bese uyeza I red flag yokucala and
udlisa abantu abatrainer khona ngescheme just ngoba ulandi abantu. I don't understand.
Like okay, let me say une team
yeah
mangine team kanjalo uyodlala I tournament, I big tournament, iTCT, I Pirates Cup.
Yes, yeah.
Then mina mhlambe ke angidlali langa la khona like abantwana bamba free and like ngijwayele ukudlala ne team yakho uyabaza abantwana abadlala kakhulu.
Yeah, ukuthi siyazi ukuthi sinobani once ngaba nalabo abantu.
Yeah, uthola ukuthi mhlambe ke aba text anyway la bayithola khona noma cela umngani athi yo mngani uyamazi uSpantani awutshela umngani wakho ezazosihlalela into ezinjalo.
Sine game nini.
Yeah. Ayikho right because like I think that this way kwamanye ama team kunento ebizwa ngecontract. Ukuthi kungavumeleki ukuthi udlalele enye team while usadlalela le team le.
Oh, I see.
So that is why vele.
And ngiyabona futhi nala ekhasi ne maybe if we injured ne bakuthela ngamanzi nje kuphela why?
Yeah.
What is okay let me put it in this way like yini le kukula ma team ale khasi ne ufila ngathi it is needed especially when it comes to treating our players because manje we were talking about the injury for you not going back to TS for training and stuff so yini le ufila ngathi it is needed that much like us when it comes to almost on everything. Let me not say ukuthi when you are injured. Let me say yini le ufila ngathi iyaleka ngapha ekhasi when it comes to ama clubs kumele baba nayo.
Yeah, I abona like first amanye ama club shame like asafaka because of our night bonds.
Like
and like ubona ukuthi like yabona le team le abantwana labo like bazimisele but like just because of abana bonds so obvious then umnikazi wale team le kunzima fena ukuthi njalo azokhipha imali yakhe ebhokotweni.
Lack of resources.
So again bro, like how do you get this sponsor if let's say the team ngihamba ngilanda abo Superbet, Sportbet, ngicela like
ukuze team ibe ne sponsor fanele ibe ne NPO certificate
or register a team.
Yeah. NPO certificate. Then leyo NPO certificate kula khona nalento le abayibuza nokuthi proposal. Leyo proposal kula uzo define zonke izinto esidinga i-team yakho ukuze leso sponsor esokwazi before sizocabanga ukusponsor sibone okay le team le ishoda into ezisona so
like kit ilona
equipment
ama sprays and stuff
mhlawumbe nayo izobona ukuthi hayi akogni shooting ayibona so obviously sponsor before soza sponsor senzani sibukela leyo team idlala imatch ngisho then azosho ukuthi hayi
nokuthi are you registered now, do you have that as certificate?
Injalo nokuthi team fanele kule NPO certificate set like senze izinto eziningi senzela nokuthi i-team ibe nesikhona ukuvula ibank yayo straight.
I see. Oh, ukuthi imali ingangena epocketini yomuntu.
Because like I think abanye abazali
ilona lento yema team is like it's a real business. It's a business. You have to have ilona i-card le club. Let's say if it's Fly Tiger Soccer what kumele uniyale ebank kuyoba necard lithi what club.
Because like as well thola ukuthi umzali umntana akho udlala ibhola abanye abazali obvious then uzothi hayibo wena why team yakho bahlezi bafuna imali.
Ngiyayibona lento ayisho
Yeah.
lento ukuthi let's say bafuna ukuhamba let's say ifuna ukusuka like emtswaleni ne let's say team yasemtswaleni ne
Yeah.
kumele isuke emtswaleni let's say iyadlela kuphi iyodlela aperitiye before let's say anina mali transport nani so kumele like ngihlanganisa ukuthi ngizokhona ukuthola ibhaki or ngithola
into
itaxi.
ezinjalo. So it's better mene account as a team niyazi ukuthi every month i-team yethu mhlawumbe because sithi that skip ama 200 rand because again ama home situations are fine.
Yes.
Skip ama 200 rand then anything ezovela any trip anyba nice eniyazi ukuthi no man
Imali
my
ikhona.
settled
No.
sinemali kwibank yethu as a team.
Crazy, yeah.
I-transportation isokhona ukuyibhadala ukudla kuba khona into ezinjalo.
No, I hear you.
Because akusiwo wonke umntana ozokhipha imali vele mekuyiwa ku-trip.
So what you're saying ukuthi a team must have a certificate first thing first.
Yeah.
So you can abantu bazokhona ukuthola ama sponsors because ama sponsors there's no sponsor that gonna come just ngoba nina ndlayela la eDustin.
Yes.
Abantu ba busy bayakhabana for no reason. You must have a certificate for a team yakho.
Yeah.
I hear you. Then ube ne bank
Yes.
for a club yakho. Not i-bank yakho ukuthi
Yeah.
manje basifuna ukugena yeah ukuthi manje let's say manje for an example let's say YouTube start paying us and she's playing for so and so team kuthi thina sizokhona ukuthi no man we know her you know she's family lapha kithi we just want to throw in like let's say 5,000 or so. It's not coming from you coach iya bank
Yeah.
knowing very well ukuthi kusasa ngiyothenga ama bandage i-first kit kumele ibe ihlala ikhona i-first aid kit yakhona kumele ihlala ikhona ama bandage ne spray. No I hear you
Because mostly ngiyabona kwamanye ama-team kwama tournament
yeah
yabona ama-cows into mostly uthole kwama colored blocking when it comes to ama socks.
yeah
Omunye usigcokela i-cut socks lakhe
Yeah.
njani
Yeah.
omunye ugcokela injanjani yabo so like ngiyabona ukuthi no.
Are you gonna play for a team like us just for fun or now because you already have started your journey it's gonna be difficult for you
Mina ngeke shame ngidlalela ama-team asekasi not just because of ngiyazenza or something
Yeah.
awanyathi nakhona into right vele nami ngaqala lapha
yes
but like manje sifuna ukwenye level
Your focus
you already have worked your ground ukuthi manje uyenza into bekumele uyenza
sengishiyele abanye ama-opportunity nabemuva
That's
ukuthi
nice.
nabo basipilde bazofika la ngikhona.
No, I hear you, man. This is crazy, man. Do you have anything that you wanna ask here?
Yeah, I do have something.
Yeah, that's good. Let's keep it going.
Let's keep it going, guys.
This is crazy, guys. Today we have blessed with a superstar on the blog. If you are new, guys, make sure you subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.
Don't forget. Okay, tell me something. At school, were you playing soccer?
Yo,
At school.
like ibhola bengilidlala khona nomunye awathi usejele. Like even though but esikoleni kune match mangikhula hayi
Beyakulani.
no bekamekasho ukuthi ungithengela ama discipline athi no like short rita short yo I was like azangibekele namanzi cause like obvious amanzi ashisa esikoleni awatholakala angibekele namanzi ngegedlela lakhe
Yeah.
athi phuzu uzophola utshele nomem ukuthi akunike nje 1 hour ulali hey bro
Wait, bekuyini lo muntu bekuyithiza or bekuyini?
bekuyiteacher angisho esikoleni kunanabo teacher
Ubani loyo?
akube ne teacher
No, let's say shout out to the person. Uthi ngubani?
usejele
Sejele.
yeah ufundise Bonego secondary school.
Shout out to Sejele. We see you. You see, Ispan sakho usebenzile. You can see now she's playing. Yeah. So he believe or she believes in you so much. It's a he, ne?
Yeah. He believes he like ukholela kimi vele. Cause like I remember ngenye time bes attended the accounting.
Yeah.
So uba like hi man siyadlala. And no mem lo like khona bo mem abasabwayo ke.
Yeah.
Akunoma bani but like yena wakhona ukuya ayo risk angeke. Athi no man ngicela umntana sona so. Wathi musilabantana ngibanike homework athi mem ngicela umupha amaphepha.
Yeah.
Wathi like amaphepha ke mina umntana mekaphuma kimi akawatholi waba like it's fine ngizomphotocopyela
Issue.
but like sasa ngabe uyasengibhalile homework
Yeah.
so wathi ngicela mengihambe sihamba wathi ngicela uyi-1 egroupini ukuthi angisendele iphepha then mina ngizowa-printa out
Yeah.
so ngenza kanjalo ngabuya ngibhalile homework
But okay, are you still on is it the high school or primary by then?
bekuyi-high school
High school. So are you still in touch with is it Jelly, ne? Say Jelly.
yeah
Yeah, Sithole.
Say Jelly.
yeah
Are you still in touch with that person?
no
No man, yeah.
'Cause-
I think somehow one day just humble ukuthi do you see which imsebenzi yakho from like you fighting with mem so and so you know ungenzela whatever do you see which now is starting to bear fruit now yabonisa ukuthi manje like I'm moving now.
Yeah, you're going very
hayi bona ngizobabonga bakhona
Ne
ngizobabonga ngiyengibakhona
Ne.
sokulu ukuthi angaka reach lapho ukuthi vele like singakhona ukuya kubo ngibabonga but like ngifuna ukubabonga angifuni ukubabonga ngamagama you understand ngibabonga ngibe ngibeka something on the table
No, I see.
isho ukuthi like
Thank you.
wabo angisupport and
Yeah,
like
I see.
ngiyabonga
I see.
I also have a question for you. You know what it is? Okay.
And then I really respect you on your journey. Something that I want to ask you. You were talking about the squad so much, saying that you ufunu ugiye squad na. What is the motive that is keeping you to pray for his squad? Which yo, I want to play for the national team. Why the national team?
ngoba like nami like ngifuna ukurepresenta la ngiphuma khona
Thank you so much. Shout out.
ukurepresenta because like i-coach wami kahle owangifundisa nebhola mengisengicala ngiceda ukusifundela like washona so like yeah
Okay.
washona and like azange khona uku-attend umncwabo wakhe because like bengibhala so yangizwisa ubuhlungu so la akhona naye ngifuna ukumenza abe proud ukuthi like lento ayenzile akayenzile ngamahala
Yo,
Shout
okay.
out.
Now it's starting to bear fruit and stuff.
yeah
Okay, on squad. When we check at it's still Banyana,
Banyana, yes.
yeah, because
yes,
I think they were fighting about Bafana name last about it, but okay, Banyana it's safe. Ne?
yeah it's safe.
Okay, on Banyana, give me your top 5.
Yeah.
About 5
Yeah,
Top
your
five.
top 5
Yeah.
that you're looking
This is
after,
something
like
interesting.
yeah. Give me top
Yeah.
5 on Banyana.
kubokele amotion ayi mhlambe like angazi but like kubokele akekho ugele engathi
Come
hayi
on.
ngifuna ukudlala njengaye
Just nje name 5 like lo.
Okay. Give me 5 labo wabona ngathi squad can't function without you.
Yeah.
okay
Hey, she's really inspired by the boys, yo.
Aba-
Yeah. Okay.
uthe unokubuya azodlalela ngapha nje
Ubani?
uthembi khatlana
Unokubuya dlalela.
azodlalela na isquad even though ane team ngale
Oh, une team.
yeah akasadlali ngapha
Is it?
yeah
Overseas.
yeah
Wow.
Udlalela bani overseas?
udlalela yiphi team but like it's sort of a country so akusi team esanje
Oh, okay.
so
Yeah.
naye unokubuya azodlalela isquad abo
Okay. First one, you're saying it's who?
Thembi Khatlana.
Okay.
Tembi. Okay.
Khatlana.
Then what?
All right.
nomvula
Nomvula
ukhwale
Khwale.
isibongo sakhe
Okay.
yeah I then laba abanye akusebe squad like abamanye ama country abo Linda Khaseri
Okay.
Yabo.
Yeah.
akusebe squad
Ngathi
nje
ukhohle
esanje.
someone number 8. Number 8 that girl bambiza
My lipstick.
So
My lipstick number 14 nangimazi kahle
So like my lipstick, you don't even count her. She's not even on that level.
no ukhwale
Oh,
Babiza
Khwale,
uTom
ui.
number yeah
Oh,
ukhwale
okay. All right. Okay, I see. And then you say
breadwinner number 8 the breadwinner lo dlala attacking middle field.
Yeah.
ngiyambona
Yo.
nginguthi
Yo.
ngiyabona
Hayi uyashisa.
ayena like
Uyashisa.
angala yabo yena
Uyashisa.
uyi playmaker
Uyabonakala if angekho lapha esquadini kubonda like
Essentialeka.
Yaleka.
Like we playmaker like.
Okay, when time goes, when we look at your soccer career and whatnot, ne? Yini lento ofuna ukuyenza when you retire, or at what age do you wish to retire? Okay, let me put it in this way, ne? When you retire, ne? Let's say you have made it to Sundowns, you have made it to Banyana, which club overseas do you wish to play for? And then the fourth one, what do you want to do after when you retire, and on what age do you wish to retire?
Wow.
Yabona like yo kumathima ngaphandle ngihamba neBrazil.
Brazil. Brazil.
Yeah. Brazil. Then any team I can say Colombia.
Wow.
Colombia.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cause like abona like ngifuna ukuzibona la no liga kasi since lokuke like motivator ngabona man ukuthi like aboma nginaye hayi communication hayi bangakhala kakhulu.
Nice.
Like
and then at what age do you wish to retire?
Yo mina ngapha nomzimba momncane ngibonakala ukuthi ngidala.
Yeah.
Noma sebanga ngathi 50 ke. Ngiyazi like I call allowed, but like
wow.
You make a show good time.
Because I think the
wow.
age you go retire when it comes to soccer is what
40
something lap. Yeah.
Oh, what's the R7 una manje?
I think 40
una 48 47.
Because I think he's still going for World Cup.
CR7 will never retire now until I win the World Cup.
Yeah.
So, I'm telling you.
So you can issue kahle kahle mina Ronaldo.
Okay. Hey, it's dreaming big, guys. It's dreaming big. Okay. So you're saying your age level is 40.
Let's say 45.
45.
Yeah.
And then ufuna ukwenzana after that. Ufuna kuba uachieve yini?
Yo, and you like ngifuna ukwathatha lama cup.
Okay.
And like you make a show ukuthi like ngibuya nawo endlini.
So ngisho ngapha like ekhaya wena self ufuna yini ufuna ukuachieve like ufuna ukwenzani? Okay, let me put it in this way so you can understand. Do you want to own your own football club, or you want to be in businesses, or ufuna just ukuthi usuke yosihlale sentini usichilele abo 4 ways nananenjalo money like yini? Do you want to be in business as much? Because the reason I'm asking about this because she said she did a business at school. Yes,
that's a good idea.
Yeah, so now I'm asking ukuthi yini ufuna ukuqala ilona iclub yakho nani we-coacha we-groomer nani or yini ufuna ukuyenza?
Yeah, maybe like ngathi amanye ama-team ngawa-sponsor because of then singazi ukuthi i-situation obvious then injani.
Yeah.
I can sponsor amanye ama-team.
Yeah.
Then like yo njengoba vele bengenza i-business ne-accounting those streams.
Yeah.
Like vele bengifuna ukuba i-chartered accountant, but so which is means ngavuse yami i-business ngibe neyami i-business.
Just go to be on any business, not soccer related.
Yeah, isoccer nje ngasponsor nje.
Just go to yazi ukuthi
ukusiza abanye abantwana.
Yeah, ukuthi nami ngize from soccer, so let me give you something to eat. And then do you have anything else? Let's hear.
Okay. The question of the day, ne? Angithi ngiyaqaba ukuthi vele wena uthanda ama-team overseas. So vele we inspire you always talking about Ronaldo. What about Messi?
Who's the GOAT between Ronaldo?
Yeah, who's the GOAT? I want to know.
Yeah.
No.
And you must explain ukuthi lona munye yini enza ukuthi abe yini mehluko between the other one and why which the other one is a good because yini into elekhaya the other one.
Angala le. Like boyithu bayadlala. uMessi uyadlala ane. But like wonke umuntu udlala ngendlela like yabona nabo like ibhola labo alikho nzima that much. Mara like for me like uRonaldo because like unokubheka ibhola la kaRonaldo liyafundeka. Ibhola ngikho uMbappe naye azokhona ukushaya ikhile eshawa bani uRonaldo angisho Mbappe role model yakhe Ronaldo.
Oh, all right.
So ibola la
because mina like I don't know soccer like that.
Yeah. So then uMessi naye like uyadlala. But like wonke umuntu unomplayer like alithandayo.
Yeah.
Because like firstly uRonaldo ngamsave mega save iPortugal. It was on 20 angisakhumbula.
Maybe 2017 nje.
Not even 2017. From 2014, 15, 16 somewhere there.
Okay.
Ukhombisa ukuthi ngilibukele.
Okay.
Angisakhumbula bekudlala iPortugal nani wascora 3 goals. Hat-trick asave i-team.
Yeah. CR7.
So
uyayifela i-team. So like nami ngiyayifela i-team mangidlala.
Yeah.
So like that is why ngithi yabo like uRonaldo even though uMessi uyatefa.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, she's right, guys.
What you mean?
Yo, I'm glad you have even observed such and such. Bro, like I've seen like lot of thinking, bro. That guy, okay, we know he's a goat when it comes to soccer and stuff, but that guy, I was like, what is going on?
So uRonaldo yena like asali naye unokumbona mekadlala sometimes like medliwe team yakhe uba nale engale ukuthi hayi man ngifuna ukukora usiyaziwa kanjani. So like even though bamkapa we hard work. So even though bamkapa sometimes some uref meka ngajudge abona ukuthi bamkapile and like it's obvious into obvious ugcina sekazi ubuhlungu akhala because like uyabona ukuthi no man siyadliwa uyakwazi ukucabangela akacabangeli yena eyi ufuna ukuwina as a team
and vele yena mangithi ngambheka vele uyaylead i-team obvious mawubheka uRonaldo mawubheka noMessi there's a different there's a different kakhulu ngoba obvious uMessi khona labantu laba vele bambeka apha yena uRonaldo uyi1 hard work uyabonakala ukuthi there's a talent, there's a hard work. Uyabheka manje
umbheka manje is just in hard work. Ulona is a talent. As much as I was telling her guys ukuthi talent is not enough. When you don't polish it, it's either it will die or uzofana noMessi ungasuki you play for the same team for a long to become the good. So Ulona that guy is a hard work.
Hard work.
That guy is a hard work. No. Okay, on a lighter note, do you even have like ladies friends around you? Or when mabona machita njanga abo feli shapoze show.
Nginabangani bamantombazana.
Is it?
Amantombazana.
No way.
Yes, amantombazana. That is why banokhomenta kuntu kuma TikTok kwambathi hayibo intombazana is straight then edlala ibhola like ayijwayelekanga.
No way. I don't see that even have.
No go to ngibe lesbian angicabangi at all.
No way. Because I don't like she don't even have like like abongana machine. I was like, what are they taking about? Because like she's into soccer. Oh, so you know how to switch.
Yeah.
When you're focusing on soccer, it's all about soccer. Mawikeli ufake into zakho ilona.
Noma ngisegroundini.
Yeah.
Like ngiba so iphondo ngiyalifaka ngisegroundini.
Yeah.
Ngi straight ish.
Oh my lord.
Baze bangibuze mesodlala imatch but why fanele nisilungise kayi meni yodlala. Like nginjalo sokuthi ibhola lisethandweni. Into engiyithandayo because mangilimele injadi ngibona abadlali ngiba nalento le ngibona ama mistake mhlawumbe obvious then modla mobukela ubona ngathi kiss but like ngiyabona ukuthi ayishame yazi kube ngaphakathi.
Okay, the question of the day, what is your biggest fear?
Ngazi ngathi nabo lapho angazi like
lose a game
explain
as a
player njenge losing khona egroundini
while you are playing
ngikhona egroundini but like sithole ilose angasho
do you even cry eating
mina ngiyakhala saluza ngikhona egroundini and like kube ikonyana esidumbo ma 2-1 1-0 I feel like ngiyasplay manami ukuthi kadini lebe ngidlala.
Yeah.
Bengikhona noma understand.
Nah, that's a pure talent.
So njani.
Nah, that's a pure talent. I see. Yo, that's crazy, man. So okay, outside it's all about Ilona. Okay, it's not even a team. You said Brazil, ne?
Yeah.
Then the best player for you is CR7, and then here Mzansi, Ilona, Ileya, lo baba lo the rich guy, Umtsep.
Best team, yeah.
Then Kumantombazane, it seems like there's no influence.
There's none. Ubafana obvious right Homa Raifit.
And then
Mfugeng,
ne? Yeah. And then ikhona into bengifuna ukubuza yona. Mangisayicabanga, please nikeza abantu ukuthi if people wanna follow you bangafollow kuphi kanjani ama handles wakho.
Subscribe. Please guys, subscribe me on YouTube. TikTok, Nankona, you can follow me, and even on Instagram. I'm still using the same username, Reteshom Nice.
And
the guys,
yeah.
Subscribe the podcast too, guys. Please follow
It's
us.
pretty cool, guys. Yeah.
Subscribe, we will really appreciate your support, guys. Thank you.
And then anything you wanna say, Kuya? Do you have another question?
Okay, the question
you wish to add. I see you have a tattoo. What does this tattoo say?
Ikamala mama Priscilla.
Is it?
Yeah.
Why you Elon?
Ikamala
And like how did she react, Mabono Elon? What's her number?
No, like anyenzi into ngamcelanga. So ngaqala ngambuza ukuthi like
ngifuna tattoo.
Ngifuna tattoo, and
this is the only tattoo that you have?
Yeah, wangitshela ukuthi ngiyenze i1.
Just one. Just one.
Bekangazi ukuthi ngiyobhala ini. I just came back nje sengibhala
igama.
Yeah.
Wow.
Because they say this thing is addictive. Mhlambe uzobuya ngale manje.
Yeah. Nasibhalela igama la mama because nje ngiyamthanda and ngiyambonga for each and everything ayenzela yona.
Wow.
Shout out to Mamzo. We see you, Mamzo. Umtana coach is doing well.
She's a superstar
because of you.
Star player.
So thank you very much. He nento feel ngathi you wanted to say it. Mhlambe asibuzanga no slash. You feel ngathi you wanna share nabantu.
Bona manje hayi ningibuzile shek.
I don't know, man. I feel like there's something missing. You can give us more, man.
Mhlawumbe ukuthi ningibuzeke kakhulu. So like say Israel empendule. And
then if people are still wanna hear your music.
This is your boy /Tiger usikhewa abantwana lethatha 500 phenduka jenze mithala abantwana laba bayamitha manje sigijima isikhilometer bafethu. Please check me out lapha ku Facebook /Tiger, Instagram /Tiger, uyangithola TikTok /Tiger, and then we'll get to it. Danko
Away guys.
Yebo bathi nabasho next uyababona jabulisa abazali. 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 Amzali bathi wena mzali. Amzali bathi wena mzali.